Okay, some say money talks, but I say money walks away from you quietly and you don't know where it went. It would be nice if a dollar said, I'm about to roll bounce up out of here, and when you come find me, I won't be there. It would be nice if it did talk, but it doesn't. So since money doesn't talk, we've got to figure out how to make it walk right back to us. That's right, walk back. You must learn how to get your money back. If payday is coming up and your money is funny and your change is strange and it's not coming quick enough and you're always worried about money and you don't have enough and so on and so forth, understand, I have been there and I have done that, and you must learn how to get your money back. What do I mean by that? Well, imagine if you went to the grocery store and you bought $200 worth of groceries, and the grocery store manager called you 2 weeks later after you ate all your food and said, come back and get your money. You would stop, drop, and roll. You wouldn't even watch the rest of this video. I know I wouldn't. I'd be gone right now, okay? Well, guess what? That's what the IRS says. The IRS says if you start a home-based business and you learn how to run your business like a business with the intent of making a profit, then you can get some of your money back that you were already going to spend anyway. That cell phone, when you use it for personal reasons, you don't get your money back. When you use it for business, you do. Those kids, my grandmother had 17 kids, and not 17 kids. She had 17 brothers and sisters, but they were like her kids. And she had to feed them. I have 3 kids. I'm going to tell you something. Feeding children is expensive. And if I had 17 kids, everybody wouldn't eat every day. I'd have a Monday, Wednesday group and a Tuesday, Thursday group. And on your day off, you'd have to fast, pray, or steal. But what I'm saying is this. You're going to spend money on your kids anyway. But the IRS says if you hire your kids to work in your home-based business, you can pay each child now up to $12,500. That $12,500 per child is a tax write-off to you. The money is tax-free to them. So you get the money back. It's tax-free to them. And now they can go and buy the things that you were going to spend money on anyway. See, when you spend money on daycare, you don't get your money back. When you spend money on school clothes, you don't get your money back. When you spend money on the video game or piano lessons or whatever it is, you don't get your money back. But if you hire your kids and pay them a salary, you get that money back, and they can go buy all those things anyway. If you take a vacation, you don't get that money back. But if it's a business trip, then you do get your money back. When you go out to eat, how many people are going out to eat? Everybody's going out to eat. Because we were so tired of being locked up that we just going out even if we don't like the food. Well, guess what? When you eat for personal reasons, you don't get your money back. But if you eat for business reasons, you do. So getting your money straight and learning how to get your money right is hard work, but so is being broke. You could run a Fortune 100 company with all the energy that it takes robbing Peter to pay Paul. So do the work. Learn how to get your money back at asklynn.org.